Shwmae, croeso nôl, welcome back. This is lesson 4 of So You've Moved to Wales, learning the basics, the days of the week. So here we have them. We have, starting off with Monday, Dydd Llun. Dydd Llun. Tuesday, Dydd Mawrth. Dydd Mawrth. Wednesday, Dydd Mercher. Dydd Mercher. Thursday, Dydd Iau. Dydd Iau. Friday, Dydd Gwener. Dydd Gwener. Saturday, Dydd Sadwrn. Dydd Sadwrn. And Sunday, Dydd Sul. Dydd Sul. Now, Cymraeg Extra. An interesting thing is that the planets also have the same name as some of the days of the week. Y planedau, the planets. So let's have a look. Mawrth means Mars. Mercher is Mercury. Iau is Jupiter. Gwener is Venus. And Sadwrn is Saturn. So here's a little task for you. Draw your school timetable. Write the days in Welsh. If you keep a diary, why not add the day in Welsh? You could even add Welsh as a language on your phone. Have a look in the settings or Google it and you can do that. Then test yourself. Go to Kahoot as normal. The address is in the link. And test yourself on the days of the week in Welsh. Da iawn. Well done. Da iawn. You are on your way to speaking Welsh.